Just recently caught a red-breasted sunfish. It's a little more. There we go. Oh, oh no, I got him. I thought he came off there. Oh, yeah, fighting hard, dude. It's another red breast. I'll show you guys this one too. This guy is beefy. He took that very well. Yeah, look how beefy these guys are. I mean, because compared to the thickness of my hand, yeah, like these guys are crazy. Nice and stocky. There you go, guys. Second fish. Second fish of the day. I got my first fish of the day. Good old red breast here. The setup I am running, so this is a Okuma Salilo ultralight with a Shimano Sienna 1000 size rod. Sorry, not rod, reel. I have 4-pound mono on here. Running it nice and light, but not too light. What you called that I would get one of these guys? Man. There we go. A lot of big old rocks over here. Got one. Another red breast. Dang, dude. It's a little guy, but he's same thing. He's beefy. He is beefy. Okay. All right. Well, I can't get you unhooked if you're going to splash the heck out of me. Yeah, clear across the water there. Oh, man. I got something. Little guy. Little guy wanted it. That was almost right after it hit the water. Look at this little guy smacking a spoon. Yeah, what is that? The improved clinch knot? I think that's what that is. I believe that's what it is, buddy. Yeah, I caught him on a little spoon. Little Cast Champ spoon. All right. Whoa, what a turd. They work. Take care of your stuff, they take care of you. Got one. Got one. It's about time, guys. It is about time. Let's bring them up over here. What do we got? This is a fall fish. This is a fall fish. I don't want to mess with the treble on this, so I'm going to use my forceps. Any luck today? Yeah, you guys get to see it now. This is a fall fish. So these guys, yeah, I don't want you squeezing and squirming your way up my hand here. These guys are fun. They fight like trout. You gotta get that out of you, dude. Fight like trout. And they make a weird noise. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it. What the heck is going on with my hooks today, dude? There we go, okay. Fall fish. See ya. Got one. Another red breast? Yeah. You guys ever have a red breast pulling drag on you like that? Oh. Red breast sunfish, here we go. Wow, look at that. Look at that red breast. Holy cow. That is one of the brightest chested fish I've ever seen. It's extremely red. Wow, I love that color. Well, I caught something else down here. That was nice. Alright, we gotta figure out where that hook be. Get a nice good old grip on you. Okay. And then you got that treble in you, don't you? Yeah, you do. It's an absolutely gorgeous fish. I love being surprised at the colors these guys have too. It's really cool. There we go. There we go. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. There he be. I don't want to let go of that fish. I'm going to take him home. There we go. Let's do a nice gentle release. There we go.